All right. Hey, Dre Hurd here with you from Neat. We're showing the Neat MCP server. This is an agentic natural language interface to our Pulse API. So this gives you the ability to query anything that's in the Pulse API using just really natural responses, right? Here we're talking about, oh, I need to check how many people are in our InfoComm booth. It'll give us that information. We can leverage all of the sensors built into the Neat hardware to get some really useful data. We can also do some day-to-day tasks like, deploying rooms, moving devices between rooms, just by asking this agentic interface, oh, will you please perform this function for me, right? You see a lot of examples here. What's the status of my InfoComm devices right now? It's built a chart for me. So a lot of things that we can just do with natural human language prompts and get to some more advanced functions that used to be relegated to an API stack or something a little more technical. So giving access to our API using AI with the Neat Pulse MCP server. Here,